Hello, dear children. It's time to stand our books up in rows upon the shelves and pack the charts and posters in neat piles by themselves. Collect the pens and pencils and put the ink away, for school time is now over and every day is for play. So, बच्चों, in order to keep you happily occupied, we have planned some exciting activities for you all. As your school is now over, your online classes are now over, so here we are with your holiday homework, as you'll be having now summer vacations for the month of June. So this is your holiday homework and I'll be explaining you each and everything, how to do the homework, where to do the homework, what is given in the question, everything through this video. So now first of all, read all the instructions carefully for your holiday homework. The first one is read all the questions carefully. The very first thing is whatever question you are attempting, first of all read that question carefully and you will be able to understand that question then only. Next is attempt all the questions. There is no choice in any of the questions. You have to do each and everything given in the holiday homework. Next one is write the answers in neat and clean handwriting. This is the most important point. You have to do each and everything in neat and clean handwriting, in neat and tidy manner. And the last point is watch the video till the end in order to know how to do your homework. So in order to know what you have to do, where you have to do and how you have to do, you have to watch this video till the end. Also like the video and subscribe the school channel. So now here you can see the very first question is prepare a comic script based on the poem How to Tell Wild Animals. As bachcho, we have already studied this poem How to Tell Wild Animal. We know that the poet wants to create humor in this story. So in the same way you have to prepare a comic script. Comic script में क्या होता है बच्चों कि आप हर चीज़ को मजाक करके, जैसे हम कॉमिक्स पढ़ते हैं ना, तो पिक्चर्स बना करके और आप जैसे एक बच्चा बना सकते हैं सोचते हुए कि अच्छा इसकी ये आइडेंटिटीज़ हैं, तो यानी ये लायन होगा, और दूसरी पिक्चर में हम दिखा सकते हैं को लायन उसको खा रहा है या लायन ने उसको मार दिया या लायन ने उस पर हमला कर दिया। इस तरीके की पिक्चर बना सकते हैं। तो इस तरीके से हमें सारे स्टैंजार्स को पिक्चर्स के फॉर्म में यूज़ करके एक कॉमिक स्क्रिप्ट बनानी है हाउ टू टेल वाइल्ड एनिमल्स पोएम की। बच्चों ये आप अपनी विश के अकॉर्डिंग चाहे हाफ चार्ट पेपर पे बना लीजिए या बुकलेट टाइप की बना लीजिए, जिसमें आप अलग अलग A4 साइज़ के पेपर्स लगा लें, या A4 साइज़ के पेपर्स को हाफ में डिवाइड करके दो पेपर बना लें और एक पेज पे एक ही पिक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करें, एक ही स्टैंजा को डिस्क्राइब करें। दैट इज़ योर विश, यू कैन डू इट बाय योर ओन वे। Now next question is read the newspaper daily, pick up any one societal issue from the newspaper and write a letter to the editor for that issue. Till now we were getting the questions of letter to the editor. Now by yourself you have to find one problem from the newspapers these days and then you have to write a letter to the editor on an A4 sheet. Now as you can see here, you have to make a booklet in which you have to write the names of all the chapters or the poems from your first flight book as well as from your Footprints Without Feet book in a series with the names of their authors and the poets. आपको ऑथर्स की, पोएट्स की पिक्चर्स भी पेस्ट करनी है उनके नाम के साथ साथ, और आपको अपने चैप्टर की बड़ी बड़ी हेडिंग लिखनी है। उसके बाद लिखना है रिटन बाय, कि किसने उसको पोएम को या चैप्टर को किसने लिखा है, उन ऑथर के नेम और उनकी पिक्चर्स को मेंशन करना है। इस तरीके से आपको एक बुकलेट बनानी है। जैसे आपने देखा था कॉमिक स्क्रिप्ट में मैंने बोला था A4 शीट के 2 पार्ट्स कर लीजिए और उसको साइड से पेस्ट कर लीजिए, एक बुकलेट टाइप की बन जाएगी। या फिर आप A4 शीट पे ही पूरा एक शीट को यूज़ करना चाहते हैं एक चीज़ के लिए या 2 चीज़ों को मेंशन करने के लिए, 2 चैप्टर्स को मेंशन करने के लिए, तो वो आपकी विश है। आप अकॉर्डिंगली अपने अनुसार इसकी बुकलेट बना सकते हैं। Now next and the last thing is complete all your work in your fair registers. Till now we have done some chapters of the first flight and some chapters of the Footprints Without Feet. that everything what we have done in our online classes in written, that or everything you will do in your fair copies. You have to make a separate register for your grammar and separate register for your literature. Do grammar portion in grammar copy and do literature portion in your literature copy. Don't forget to write the headings and write the date, and do each and every work in neat and clean handwriting. So this was all about your holiday homework. Enjoy your holidays and take care, bachcho. All the best.